Do y'all like diabetes? Because that's what you're about to get when you eat this. Alright, let's start off with a family-sized pack of Oreos and 8 tablespoons of butter. Now toss that into your food processor and add in the melted butter. Now make sure you be careful when you're taking off that lid. Now take a 9x13 pan, spread the Oreos out evenly, and toss it in the fridge for at least 10 minutes. Now it's time for the pudding. Usually I use cookies and cream for this layer, but every store I went to is out, so I'm just using chocolate instead. You just want to make 2 packs of this and just follow the instructions on the packs. Now spread the pudding out evenly and just toss it back in the fridge for at least another 10 minutes. Now you need 8 ounces of cream cheese in a mixer. Personally I'm using my mom's from the 1800s, but it still works. Now add a 1/4 cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of milk and then just mix it up until there's no chunks left. Get an 8-ounce tub of Cool Whip, toss it in there and mix it up by hand until it's nice and soft. After that, just spread this out evenly and then toss it back in the fridge for at least another 10 minutes. Next, another layer of pudding. As you can tell by my face, I'm having a blast. Now spread that out evenly and back in the fridge we go. Now for the final layer, just take a tub of Cool Whip, soften it up by mixing it, and just spread it out evenly. Finally, chop up some Reese's cups, then take some mini chocolate chips and spread them both out evenly, then cover it all with some chocolate syrup. Now you just want to toss it back into the fridge for at least another 2 hours, and then enjoy.